Hey guys, it's Brian here again with another ceiling fan video, and I am on vacation here in Hilton Head, South Carolina, Hilton Head Island, in a condo that my family rented. And in the condo are these 54-inch Casablanca Stealth ceiling fans. There are 4 of them. There's one in the living room and one in each bedroom, and this is the one that's in my room. Not entirely sure what you would call this finish. I believe it's like a bronze, oil rub bronze, but it's got these really gorgeous wood blades. This is one of the newer Casablanca Stealth fans because it has the Hunter canopy. I'm not entirely sure if it has a K55 motor in it or not. I don't really know a whole lot about these Casablanca Stealth, the newer ones, but it's a pretty nice fan. It moves really good air, and it runs on a remote control. It's a 6-speed remote control with the reverse function and the light function with the dimmer. So let's go ahead and we'll demonstrate that. Starting with the light, when you hold the button down, there goes the dimmer. Turn it all the way up. I'm not going to turn it off in the video because it's nighttime right now. It's quite dark. So we are going to start with speed 1. This would be the lowest speed. Actually moves a pretty nice little gentle breeze on this speed. More of an aesthetic speed really, but it does move some air. Speed 2. Definitely a difference in air movement. Go up to 3. This is like a medium speed on a normal ceiling fan. Quite a bit of air coming out of this. 4. 5. It does have a slight wobble to it. And 6. Very large amount of air movement. Actually a very powerful fan. I'm quite impressed with this. Even for being a later model Stealth, it's pretty good quality. I like it a lot. And we'll go ahead and spin down. I'm not entirely sure how old these fans are. I would say probably within the last year they were put up in this condo. It's obviously been recently remodeled. And that's it. That's a 54-inch Casablanca Stealth. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.